It's fair to say the Holden Commodore and Kia Stinger storm onto the Australian market greeted with equal parts controversy and scepticism. The rear-drive Kia Stinger GT teased Australians as a Commodore alternative, just as Holden traditionalists came to terms with the end of an era that was local vehicle manufacturing. The battle lines are clear. Are you Team Commodore or Team Stinger? We've gathered the top spec performance variants of each to see which one best fills a V8 sized hole in garages down under. Understandably, Holden's faithful face a huge shift. There's an all-wheel drive V6 liftback bearing the Commodore nameplate shared with the tyre-smoking muscle car that once was. Meanwhile, the Kia Stinger cuts new ground with its performance sedan, a rear-wheel drive twin-turbo V6. Separated by just $4,000, equipment levels bear many resemblances. Both score 8-inch touchscreens with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it's the Holden that offers the more extensive kit list and more user-friendly interface. Less muscle and more mainstream, our performance sedans play a valuable dual role for enthusiasts with modern family demands. In the second row, it's definitely the VXR that offers more generous space and better amenity with the addition of heated seats. Liftback body styles favour function and flexibility. The VXR also benefits from 40-20-40 split-fold seats, but it misses out on an electric tailgate as found in the Stinger. Interior design creates another point of difference for these two. The Stinger definitely brings a sporty vibe. You'll find chrome look finishes throughout and round air vents and a top-mounted screen. In complete contrast, the Commodore VXR feels really sophisticated. It has a much more fluid design and it's finished off with high-gloss black plastics instead. At this end of town, performance and 0 to 100 kilometre times matter. And our testing saw the Kia's cracking twin-turbo V6 the quickest across the line. The Stinger's more subdued engine lets out a nice bass note when opened up. It's that deep muscular note many want from their high-performance sedans. Paired to an 8-speed auto, with more rubber in the rear and a local chassis tune, the Stinger was quicker to turn in and most honest through the corners. It delivers that borderline hectic meets exhilarating handling, unique to a rear-wheel drive performance car. It's built with the enthusiast in mind. With more to prove, the Commodore VXR brings a 9-speed auto and all-wheel drive grip to the game. Its ride is smooth and composed, and comfort levels are high. Excitement? Not so much. Its paddle shifts were slow and braking less sharp. Despite slick new packaging, the VXR fails to elicit even half of the emotion of an SSV Redline. This is a Commodore like no other, and that's both good and bad news. Both vehicles offer autonomous emergency braking and a variety of driver assist technologies. However, Kia betters Holden where all-important after-sale support is concerned, and on-test fuel consumption revealed the Holden the more frugal of our sports sedans. Over a second quicker in the 0 to 100 dash, and with performance at its heart, it's the Kia Stinger GT that takes the win. It's not only our winner, it's the best Kia we've ever driven. We are Team Stinger.